and Pauline Ball, Dennley Farms Limited. Defining and staying ever faithful to values creates the foundations for a business with integrity, direction and substance. This is a fact well evidenced by the day-to-day reality of Dennley Farms, owned and operated by Adrian and Pauline Ball. The Balls entered the Ballance Farm Environment Awards to develop a fresh understanding of the issues and options in their industry and share their story. Active in the creation of meaningful industry change and driven to improve consumer perception of the sector, the couple's effective leadership culminates in measurable results. The Balls' early adoption of technology demonstrates an active intent to run a business that has science, logic and progressive innovation at its heart. Long-term plans are to fine-tune farm growth feed requirements, trial crops and practices that reduce the farm's footprint further year on year, introduce more energy-saving and cost-effective infrastructure to the asset base, and maintain growth across the dairy platform and beef breeding enterprise. Aspiring to model low input, low footprint, high animal welfare values, the Balls have achieved best practice agronomy to optimise crop and animal yields without compromising environmental health. Dennley Farms has a number of initiatives and features in place. These include working closely with nutrient suppliers to ensure fertilisers are applied at appropriate times and ensuring soil testing is undertaken on pasture every other year and annually on cropped land. The cropping and finishing farm runs along the side of the Waikato River, which is treated with respect. To that end, fencing setbacks are 20 metres plus to allow for revegetation of the riverbanks. The dry stock farm is 100% off the grid using solar power, a deep well water supply and solar electric fencing. The pond areas on the dairy farm are hotspots for biodiversity and provide a great habitat for frogs and many waterfowl species. The Balls' business tagline is "Creating value inside the farm gate", and there is sustainable value on this farm in environmental, social and economic respects as far as the eye can see. Judges' comments. Attention to animal welfare, biosecurity and health and safety is evident at every turn on Dennley Farms. The Balls have undertaken substantial native and exotic riparian planting to improve water quality and provide shade and shelter. They analyse opportunities to use the latest in technology and have developed a system that is energy efficient and environmentally conscious. The Balls use diverse pasture species and products such as Sustain to reduce their nitrogen and GHG losses.